Did you know that you can do a timeline in Google Sheets? Let's see how it's done. In my Google Sheet, I have a list of tasks with their start date and their due date, and I have it formatted with different colors. And I want to create a timeline with this information. So I'm going to select all of the information that I want in the timeline. I'm going to click Insert, and I'm going to click on Timeline. Then I'll confirm my data range, and I'm going to click OK. And here's my timeline that's been created for me. It's created in a separate sheet. You can see at the bottom there's a new sheet that's added. It's called Timeline 1. And the timeline has the formatting colors that I have in my list. If you click on Settings, you'll see that there's required fields, such as the data range and the start date and the end date and the card title. You can also look at the optional fields, and this is where I'm going to go down here to Card Group. And for Card Group, I'm going to click the down arrow, and I'm going to click on Task. And you can see it added tasks over here to the left. I'm going to close the Settings panel, and now I have my timeline with the tasks listed in the timeline, but also listed over here on the left.